Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with our next topic of the chapter, Our Glorious Past. Today we are going to learn about the famous buildings and structures that were made during the Indus Valley Civilization and the Gupta period. Students, please take a look at figure 8, the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro, given on page 36 of your course book. This public bath is world famous for its excellent designing and structure. It has got a large rectangular tank with many bathrooms around it. This structure looks like a modern day swimming pool, and its floor is made up of special watertight bricks and other materials. This water tank can be filled with fresh water from a well built near it for this purpose. As you all know that these civilizations had a well-built drainage system, and that can be seen in the Great Bath also, as it had a hole built in the bottom of the tank which drained all the dirty water from the washrooms. Next, let us look at the Great Granary at Harappa. In the figure 9 of your course book, this is a large building with thick walls and many pillars in it. Next, take a look at few buildings and structures that were built during Gupta period. The most important feature of this period is the freestanding structure of Hindu and Buddhist temples. The first such building is Dashavatara temple at Devgarh and the rock-cut caves at Ellora. These buildings use stones and bricks to make circular, rectangular and square temples. Please notice the tower built over their roof at Dashavatara temple. At Ellora too, they have made temples which were made after cutting through solid rocks. All these temples had beautifully shaped pillars that were made by curving these stone pillars. So these temples were decorated with such beautiful pillars, walls and doors. All of them had images or figure of gods and goddess, humans and animals. Images were made by using natural colors made from natural sources like flowers, trees, leaves, etc. This can be seen very clearly in the cave of Ellora, whose walls are very beautifully painted with images of gods. This brings us to the end of today's topic of famous structures and buildings of Indus Valley Civilization and Gupta period. So kids, see you soon with a new topic and some more interesting facts. Till then, study well, stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye.